We're in the eye of Irma. This is Naples, Florida, September 10th, 2017. I'm in my apartment home with Victoria. Nice to be talking to you guys. I realize you're not going to see this until well after the fact that we survive. But so far, so good. The eye is on top of Naples, Florida. This is documented history. You're seeing it through our back door. Unfortunately, I know you're not going to be able to see it too well, but it's blowing at about 130 miles an hour. We are completely safe. Our structure is holding up extremely well. Our windows aren't even... Never mind. Never mind, hold on. Everything is holding up very well. We got some localized flooding. If not for the sheer fact that the wind was blowing so hard, we would be flooded at this point, but the wind is actually blowing the water away from us. The problem for the Gulf Coast is obviously the storm surge that's yet to come tonight, Monday morning. Like I said, in the reports that I told you guys before, we're inland enough that the storm surge tonight and tomorrow morning should not affect us, but we don't know. I mean, it's a waiting game. We'll just wait and see. But for now, I'm just happy that Victoria and I are safe. The windows are holding up. Our structure is holding up extremely well. No problems. No problems as we're in the eye of the hurricane. Like I said, we are literally in the eye of the hurricane right now. This is probably the north wall of the eye, which is the strongest, most intense portion of the hurricane that you guys are witnessing right now as we're videotaping. You're seeing it with your own eyes. I'm glad that we're documenting it for you. This is actually getting really fucking bad. This is actually getting really bad, guys. Just let the video speak for itself. I'll let you guys watch. I'll stop talking. Look at the wind shear. Look at the wind shear ripping through the patio here. I wonder if they're even going to be able to hear the noise that we're hearing outside right now.
Yeah, you can, honey. Can we open this window? I don't think the shade should be down. Oh, that one's broke?
This is it. I truly believe that the northern eye of the hurricane is on top of us. I don't know because our power went out an hour ago. They were saying that Naples, Florida would be probably hit around 4:30, 4:45 p.m. I think right now it's about 4 o'clock or 4:15 p.m. It's obviously here. This is obviously it. I can't imagine it getting much worse than... Oh, God almighty, this is bad. This is really bad. This is really bad, guys. Holy shit. Victoria and I will probably go to, we have an inner room. Well, it's a bathroom, I'll be honest with you. But that's probably where we're gonna go. I think that's gonna be our safest place.
Get away from the window, honey.
Get away from the windows. We might have to stop videotaping, guys. I think we gotta move.